Hey guys, so just a disclaimer. This is not going to be a perfect video because we are doing a mukbang tour. So we got some fries. A quarter pounder. A drink. And they had a holiday pie. So what I do is I save the best for last. So first I eat my fries and then my quarter pounder and then my pie. Cause like the pie isn't the best,
Yes,
but like,
it is.
but like. Our English teacher first.
Oh my god.
So, our English teacher gives us so much homework. Yesterday, we spent at least 2 hours on just reading like 6 chapters to write questions and like annotate it, like notes and stuff.
And then we have to like make a. Anyways. And now we have 6 more chapters to do, and we have to find quotes, and we have to do annotations, and we have to find freaking questions to write.
Christmas tree. It's so cute. Hold on, that's the back of it. It's so.
We got.
No, I ate the 17.
And Chelsea was really hungry last
Really sorry.
and she ate my number 17.
And my 17.
But
so on
it's
17,
only December 3rd, and we've already eaten.
Ew. James Charles X Morphe palette. Palette.
Okay,
So we're
overhyped.
Suppose that he's double swatched it. Everyone says they're watching. McDonald's pickles are so good.
Can't really.
Hold on. Michaela, she's putting her hair up. She gets her burgers plain. Look at this. She didn't even start eating it first of all. Look, see this? Plain.
Guys, I don't know.
Cheese and a burger.
She's ruining the burgerly taste. Okay, whatever.
So, have you guys ever had like that one fry at the end where it's like filled with grease?
No, soggy fries are gross.
McDonald's fries, not vegan. Vegetarian. Wait.
Vegetarian.
McDonald's fries are not vegetarian. Who knew that? Guys, we're gonna do some ASMR. Oh. I want another burger. I'm so hungry.
Wait for me to eat your pie.
That's 2 bites.
Like 3 or 4.
No, that's a bite. What? See? Oh, this is so cute. I'm gonna smell it. What is that? That's Play-Doh. That smells so bad. It smells like an
I hate the sound of people chewing.
These little. Oh my god! Here one is. Look, it's like it's gonna pop. It pops your mouth and it's like greasy.
Who decided that? Oh, I'm gonna take a video of me eating
Mukbang.
Mookie.
I'm trying this. I'm sorry.
It smells like Play-Doh.
So bad.
I kind of like it. Kind of gross, but the texture's gross. But like, I'm hungry, so.
That's so, never get those. Just get the regular apple pies.
I I'm so full and that pie is disgusting.
Yeah, never get the pie. So, thank you for watching. Give a like, subscribe, comment down below.
Watch our other videos, watch our future videos, turn on the bell notification.
Notifications.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.